Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at evaluating expressions involving mixed numbers on the TI-30XS Multiview calculator. So let's start by looking at some examples. So as we can see in example number 1, we're going to divide negative 6 2/3 by negative 2 1/2. So make sure when you enter a negative for a mixed number that you use the negative button at the bottom row of the calculator. So I'm going to type in negative 6. Followed by the second ND button. This allows me to input the mixed number. Second, move down for the 3, move to the right. Now we're going to press the divided by button. The left parenthesis, negative 2, second ND. Again, this is allow us to input the fractional part of the mixed number. So we have 1/2, 1/2. Finish off with the right parenthesis and press enter. So the answer is 8/3. We can convert this, if you want, from an improper fraction to a mixed number by pressing second, the times 10 to the nth button, and press enter. So the improper fraction 8/3 is equivalent to the mixed number 2 2/3. Clearing the screen, in example 2, we have mixed numbers raised to exponents, so let's put that in. Inside parentheses, we have 2 1/2, so press the 2. For the fractional component, second ND, type in the 1/2. Move to the right, put in the parenthesis. Now, to put in an exponent other than a 2, we're going to use the exponent button or the caret button. Enter the 3. Now to get back down to the main level, it's blinking at the exponent level. The main level, we're going to press the right arrow on the navigational pad. And now we can put the subtraction in there. Subtraction, parenthesis, we have a negative 1 1/4. Move to the right, and then raise this to the second power. Again, you can use the caret button if you want, or just press the square button. So just to confirm that we've typed it in correctly, and we have. Once again, it is important just to note that the subtraction button is one of the operators on the right-hand column, whereas the negative button is at the bottom row beside the enter button. Press enter. The answer, by default, is a reduced improper fraction of 225/16. To convert this to a mixed number, press second, the times 10 to the nth power button, and press enter. So the improper fraction, 225/16, is equivalent to the mixed number 14 1/16. Finally, on the last example, we're going to type in the fraction button. What we're going to do by typing in the fraction button is going to create this main fraction bar. Then on the top, we're going to type in a square root. So let's type it in here by pressing the ND button. Now we're going to type in the square root button by pressing the second, the square button. Now inside of the square root, which is blinking under the square root right now, we're going to type in the 6 1/4. So 6, second ND, 1/4. Now we can move to the denominator and type in the negative 3 3/4. So negative 3, second ND, 3/4. Press enter, and we get our answer as negative 2/3. So as an optional method here, what we could have done was type in the second square root, so just the numerator first, of 6 1/4. Move to the right until it comes out completely out of the square root. The square root bar has now stopped and is blinking to the right. If you press the ND button, you'll see that it moves the 6 1/4 to the numerator by default. So now we can put in the negative 3 3/4. So two different ways to accomplish the same goal. Press enter. Again, the answer is negative 2/3. So I hope this video helps you understand how to evaluate expressions on the calculator involving mixed numbers. Take care.